Hi, Eashwar.
Hi Kurush, hi.
How are you doing?
Doing great, great. How are you?
Very good. It's great to see you. And I want to congratulate you for landing your new role. Very exciting, and I'm very happy for you. And I also want to thank you for doing this because I want to honor our clients' time. So I never want to get people to call you directly. But the second best thing is for them to see the clients on video and kind of talk about their experiences. So I appreciate you doing this, taking a few minutes to do this. So let me start by asking you to tell me a little bit about your job and what you do.
Yeah. So right now I am the Vice President of Applications Engineering at Impinj Semiconductor. It's actually a company based primarily out of Seattle, and this company is making RFID tags, which are proliferated all over the world nowadays. But everybody wants to know the life cycle of a product that they build, right?
Mhm.
And tags are a big part of it. And most shoppers would know that tags are an immense part of your Walmart experience, your Target experience, and all that. So I run the application engineering in this company right now.
Very good. And Ishwar, what got you interested in working with us?
I reached a point in my career where my technical or functional excellence was well understood, but I wanted to break a particular ceiling, which was preventing me from being, I would say, an enterprise level influencer. And to be able to do that, I clearly realized that it's not the technical chops that was I was lacking, but there's something more. So some kind of a leadership mentoring where I can have a better way to do vision casting. So that's primarily was my motivation. And then through LinkedIn, I think I came in touch with Second Element, and the timing was just perfect for me. Yeah.
Very good. And what are your career goals that you want to achieve? And what were they when you joined us? And what are your ongoing career goals?
Yeah, like just to continue from what I said earlier, to have an enterprise level impact, um, I should position myself very close to the C suite or be a part of the C suite so that I can set the right kind of a direction for the company and empower the really smart and bright people to go after that goal, right? So to put myself in that level of, I would say, leadership gravitas and position and vantage point, that was primarily what was driving me for a career change or a role change. So to put it in a very layman perspective, I wanted to get to the VP, SVP, EVP titles, which is typically where these kind of maneuvering of the
Mm.
destinies of the company take place, right? So that was kind of was the back of my mind back then. Yeah.
Very good. And what did you find most beneficial in the program for your situation? You were talking about the flow of the program and how it helped you. What did you find most beneficial in the program?
Well, firstly, the structure of the program. I mean, it's like an 8 week structure. And it starts by focusing more on the identity of the person, in this case, me. So, one of the myopic things we all do is we project a certain personality out, but it's very hard for us to be objective about what is it that we really project. So one of the things you did, Kurush, was this whole Enneagram tri-type analysis based thinking early on in the program. So you gave me a perspective of what is it that others are perceiving of me. And once I know the lens through which my transactions take place, I
Mhm.
can shape my executive brand to be authentic and consistent with that personality type. So the whole 8 weeks, Kurush, from starting with identity, the leadership personality, the strengths and blind spots, and then iterating through, what are the different stakeholders. The other part of the program, which I really loved, and I still do, by the way. I mean, I take a lot of the program into my daily life now. One of the things that you said is the emphasis on mastering the business. The idea of understanding your KPIs, understanding what matters to a company, what are the three main problems that we really want to solve for the company. That kind of very clear cut focus that you I would say you inculcated in the program and through the program into guys like me. Those were very, I would say, transformative for me, to say the least. I mean, I could say more, but I'll kind of stop here. to see what you have to ask. Yeah.
Great, great. And then what about your branding and resume and all that?
Yeah, I think what are the problems I can solve? What problems matter? So once the clarity comes, and this has to be consistent with my Enneagram tri type. My tri type, I think, was 369.
Hmm.
So type 3, achiever, right? Type 6 is trying to understand and mold the shape around the quality narrative or the risk taking narrative. And 9 was like getting people together to go after
Hmm.
the objectives, right? So, so you help me understand how to project this onto the resume. The whole idea of having the branding up front, with the branding statement and the three main things that I stand for when somebody looks at the resume, and turning our technical achievements into business driven narrative, like kind of rephrasing and rebranding them. All of this stuff helped me tremendously in projecting. And also, the beauty of that is once somebody sees a resume, which is very focused and targeted, you have already, you could predicate what kind of conversations you're going to have with the company because you're guiding the conversation directly from the resume as opposed to being very broad and generic. You're being very targeted and focused. So that was a very big help in my market outreach. Yeah.
That's great. Well, Ishwar, again, I'm very, very happy for you. I think this is a great role. I can see the passion that you have for your new roles. I'm very excited for you. I know you're going to achieve more and more better and better things. And I'd love to be on your side and continue our relationship and see your future successes. And I want to thank you again for taking a few minutes to do this. Appreciate it. And we'll continue to be in touch.
Yes, definitely. Thank you very much, Kurush. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ishwar. Take care.
Thanks. Yeah.